Welcome to Well Explained. Here I am again with continuation of exercise 13.2, surface area and volumes, class 9th maths, NCR. Students, now question number 3. A metal pipe is 77 centimeter long. The inner diameter of a cross section is 4 centimeter. The outer diameter being 4.4 centimeter. Now we have to find its inner curved surface area, number 2 outer curved surface area, and number 3 total surface area. Okay, now length of the pipe is given. We will consider this length of the pipe as height. The length of the pipe is 77 centimeter. Inner diameter is equal to 4 centimeter. From this we will calculate the inner radius, and inner radius will be small r, which is equal to 4 by 2, that is 2 centimeter. Then outer diameter is 4.4 centimeter. Outer radius capital R will be equal to 4.4 upon 2, which is equal to 2.2 centimeter. Now coming to the first part, that is inner curved surface area. This will be equal to 2 pi r h, which is 2 into 22 upon 7 into 2 into 77. This will be equal to 968 centimeter square. Now second is outer curved surface area. That will be equal to 2 pi RH. Here we will take capital R because it is outer curved surface area. We will be calculating it by outer radius. It will be equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 2.2 into 77. This is equal to 1064.8 centimeter square. Now coming to the total surface area. Now to find out the total surface area, what we'll do, this pipe is hollow. Okay, this pipe is so this total surface area will be inner curved surface area plus outer curved surface area plus area of these two rings. Okay, so area of two rings, that is the base and the top. First of all, we will find out the area of rings. That is given by pi r square minus r square. But as there are two rings, we will multiply it by 2. This will be equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 2.2 square minus 2 square. Okay, 2 into 22 upon 7. This 2.2 square minus 2 square, we will put a square minus b square. So this will become 2.2 plus 2, 2.2 minus 2, which is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 4.2 into 0.2, which is equal to 5.28 centimeter square. When we will calculate it, it will be equal to 5.28 centimeters square, and TSA will be equal to this plus this plus this, that is 968 plus 1064.8 plus 5.28 centimeter square, which is equal to 2038.08 centimeter square. So this is the answer of the question number 3. Now coming to question number 4. The diameter of a roller is 84 centimeter and its length is 120 centimeter. It takes 500 complete revolutions to move once over a playground to level it. Now what we have to do is, we have to find the area of the playground in meter square. Okay, what is given? Diameter is given, diameter of roller is given, it is 84 centimeter. Okay, so radius r will be equal to 84 upon 2, that is 42 centimeter. Then length is given, length of the roller is given 120 centimeter. We will take it as height. Okay, you can see, suppose this is a roller, the diameter is given as 84 centimeter and this length is given as 120 centimeter. First of all, we will find out the surface area of roller. The surface area, that is curved surface area, is given by 2 pi RH, which is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is 42 into height is 120 centimeter square. 7 6 are 42, and if you calculate all this, it will come to 31680 centimeter square. Now, since it takes 500 complete revolutions to move once to level a playground. Okay, now this area which it has come to be 31680 centimeter square, it is for one revolution, means when it moves once, the area covered is 31680 centimeter square, and it is given it takes 500 complete revolutions to level a playground. Therefore, area of playground is equal to 500 into 31680, which is equal to 1584.0000 centimeter square. And if we convert it into meter square, as it is asked in the question, you will divide it by 100 into 100. Then you will get 1584 meter square. This is the answer. Now coming to question number 5. A cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in diameter and 3.5 meter in height. Find the cost of painting the curved surface of the pillar at the rate of rupees 12.50 per meter square. So what is given? Let R be the radius of the base and H is the height of the pillar. Therefore, R is equal to, this is diameter, 50 centimeter in diameter. The radius will be equal to 50 divided by 2, that is 25 centimeter. And as the height is given in meters, we will convert it into meters. That is equal to 0.25 meters. Height is given 3.5 meter. The curved surface area of pillar will be equal to 2 pi RH, which is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 0.25 into 3.5. We will do the calculations. 25 4s are 100, 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are 7, 5s are 35. That is equal to 11 into 5 upon 10 is equal to 55 upon 10, which is equal to 5.5 meter square. This is the curved surface area of the pillar. The cost of painting the curved surface at the rate rupees 12.50 per meter square will be equal to rupees 5.5 into 12.50, which is equal to rupees 68.75. This is the answer. So that's all for today.